Every night I take a shower. I open the shower curtain. I use a washcloth and soap to clean my face and my body. To start the shower, I turn the faucet handle all the way to the left. I turn it to the left to make the water hot. I get my hair wet, and then I use shampoo to clean my hair. I put shampoo in my hands, and I rub it in my hands, and then I scrub it into my hair. And then I use the water to rinse out the shampoo. My hair gets very dry, so every night when I take a shower, I use conditioner. I pump the conditioner into my hands, and then I put it in my hair when it's wet. And then I let the conditioner sit for 2 minutes in my hair. After 2 minutes, I rinse the conditioner out of my hair. While the conditioner is in my hair for 2 minutes, I take the washcloth and I get it wet in the water. And I use soap. And I scrub my face, my arms, my neck, my legs. I clean my whole body with the washcloth with the soap. When I'm finished with the shower, I use a towel to dry my hair and my face and my body. After I take a shower, I put my pajamas on. I also use this towel to dry my hair. I flip over my hair, and then I wrap the towel around my hair to dry it. While my hair is drying, I could brush my teeth. I will take my toothbrush and my toothpaste. I will put a little bit of toothpaste on my toothbrush. Then I will brush my teeth. After I brush my teeth, I will take off the towel. I put conditioning cream in my hair while it's still wet. I put a little bit of cream in my hands and I rub my hands together, and then I rub my fingers through my hair. Get the cream all in my hair. The cream helps keep my hair from getting big and dry and frizzy. After I take a shower and brush my teeth, I am ready to go to bed. I like to read a book before I go to sleep.